Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello and welcome back, and if you are new then welcome aboard. It's nice to have you here. Check the description out for links to anything that I've mentioned, where to find me, ways to support the channel, and any other relevant information I might have put in there. So I've got a, oh, it's a bit close, that is. Let's bring it out a little bit. I've had another order from Craspire, and if you've not heard of Craspire, they mainly do the wax seals and all the waxes. They do the glue stick waxes and things. So I don't know if this is my third order with them. And I've actually forgotten what I've ordered. This did take a little bit longer than normal, but I think there was some problem getting them over here this time. I don't know if it was something about a boat was stuck somewhere or something. I remember reading something. So it has took a little bit longer. As you can see, they're really well packed. So let's have a look what we had. So they look quite green, they do. These are supposed to be like a blue mix, because I wanted some to go with my blue projects. So let's have a look. So that's the blue. That's why I wanted them, because they've that blue. I'm guessing you're going to have to put about 4 or 5 in of these in the wax melt. Now, I suppose they're a teal colour, so that might be a nice mixing. I suppose if you put the white in, it might tone that down. So that'll be nice to play with. So there's just those three different colours. So that's that. I think I do have a coupon code. If I do, I will put it in the description. I'm sure they do give me a code, but yeah, I should have possibly looked before I jumped in and just did the video. So what have we got in here? This looks an interesting box. Oh yes, I had those edge stamps. Now I don't have any edge stamps, and yeah, because I'm slowly getting more into doing more journal type things, because normally I do folios and altered file folders and things, and I thought it'd be nice to have some interest to pages and things. I mean, obviously you can still use these on tags and envelopes and things like that. That's really pretty. But yeah, I didn't have anything like this at all, so hopefully that'll be quite easy to join it up. You're gonna have a little gap in between, but because if you was going down a whole page. So how many is there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different ones. So yeah, I think these will be really very nice. That's a pretty one. So I will come back and we will have a stamping session. And I am really preferring these on a wooden block. They seem to stamp very even. So yeah, they look nice. And it's nice that they come in their own little box, so I'm not rummaging around for them. Oh, it slides on, doesn't it? I was trying to push it on. So hopefully there'll be room for those in my stamp box. So I have had another a wax seal. Oh, it's a bit battered, but it really doesn't matter because I won't be keeping the box. So this time I had a bird and a nest. So yeah, this is going to go. I don't know if I've got any brown ink. I'll have to brown wax. I'll have to check. But yeah, I fancy doing some in blue and some in brown. So that's going to go. Well, first I'll do some for the altered. No, it's not an altered. My Amazon packaging journal, and then I'll do some for the rest of my bird projects, what I shall be doing in the future. So that's that. And I don't know if you saw Julie's video, and this is what made me think about it. She's doing an Alice journal at the moment, and she got a seal with, I think it was a love heart or a pack of cards, and she did some fabric clusters and then a wax seal in the middle, and I thought they'd be so nice doing like lacy ones and bits of burlap and things as a little cluster, and then put a wax seal on them. So we will come back and do that. I will I'll sit before I put the film on and do so many seals ready, because I know you've seen me a couple of times now melting some, but I will melt a few as well, just in case you've not caught one of those videos. And then I have this set of washi tapes. Now I don't have a great deal of washi tapes. I've got a couple of sets from Tim Holtz, which I really do like, and I use them quite often. So I thought it would be nice to have some different sort. So these was a set of 5. Let's have a look at them. So these are 5 meters. I'm guessing they're all 5 meters. Yeah, they're all 5 meters. Oh, look at this one. That is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the blues underneath the gold. That's beautiful. It doesn't feel very sticky. Oh, it's got, oh, it's like, oh, it is sticky. It's like double-sided. Oh, that's good. That'll probably keep it sticky for longer. So again, I wanted these for like edgings of things. This one probably isn't my kind of colour, but they did come, you know, they did come in a pack of 5. So that one's like unicorny colours. It's got like waves on it. Then it's got like blues and greens and pinks. So that's very pretty. Let's have a look. Oh, this one looks nice. Yeah, I wanted it for the more bluer ones. Oh, I love this one. Look at that. That's beautiful. That blue, it's like periwinkle blue. Feels so nice. Yeah. See, it's called actually masking tape. It's not called washi. So yeah, it feels totally different. Yeah, I think it's going to be a lot better quality than normal washi. So yeah, that's beautiful. Love the box. So I'd love some wallpaper in that, or some wrapping paper. This one's a gold one. Oh, they've got names. Oh no, they haven't. They're all called poem tape. I think they've got different sets. Yeah, that's nice. That's quite subtle, even though it's metallic. It's a bit more dull than the others. Oh, that's so pretty. Do like a little bit of gold, and I like blue with birds. I also like gold with birds. When I did one of my first bird projects, and I went around all the edges of things with gold paint, and it looked really pretty. Oh, this one's nice. Can't get any. You look at this. That's very nice. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, I think a touch of that here and there will be absolutely fabulous. So yeah, we'll come back and do some like page edgings. So yeah, I'm really happy with those. I will put all the links to the actual products in the description box. I can't wait to see how this goes. And I shall see you next week, and we will do a project. I think we'll do the the clusters first. I think I'm going to do some fabric clusters and some paper clusters, and add the wax to them. And then I really do need some belly bands, so I might do some we could do clusters and belly bands in the same video, couldn't we? And then I thought another video we can do like edgings of pages, and jazz up some envelopes and some tags and things. So I shall see you very soon. Thank you very much for joining me. If I can find that coupon code, I will put it in the description. If it's not there, then that means I haven't got a code, but it might be a code on the actual page. It might be free shipping or so much off if you spend so much. I can't remember, but I will put it in the description. So I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.